Hey, welcome back. I hope that you have been watching my how-tos and hopefully my Whimsical Wednesdays too for my silly content. But I just wanted to let you know I have some brand new videos coming, whole new series. I'll continue to post once a week on the how-tos and the Whimsical Wednesdays. It is called Home Hair Academy, and it is a series dedicated to like really getting to know your hair and how to pick things at the beauty supply store that are going to work for your specific needs, and kind of like really it's made to stay away from the box color and just to treat your hair nice. But even if you are getting your hair done in a salon, it could be a cool journey just getting to know your hair and all of her personality traits. Anywho, I hope you're enjoying the content that I have so far and the upcoming content. Just let me know by commenting so I can make sure and adjust to what you guys need. All right, thanks again. I'll talk to you soon.